So in the other law space, there are some changes in the law, and I want to go over them. Of course, for gift and inheritance, you can give up to $15 million now. So 99.9% of us will not have to worry about that. The other big change that happened in the Big Beautiful Bill for Elder Law is that they cut some Medicaid funding for in-home programs that are used by a lot of people who want to stay home and don't want to go to the nursing home. It's unfortunate. Places like Texas will probably reduce or increase the wait time to get on those programs, whereas other states will probably fund it out of their own coffers. But in Texas, we have a Senate Bill 1283. This establishes certain requirements for employees that are working at independent living facilities and different things like that. House Bill 3595 is the most controversial one. I can't remember, it's Hurricane Barry or something like that, that some local municipalities and counties started requiring backup generators, which we think would be a really good idea for senior care facilities. The state said, no, we're not going to make them have backup generators, but they have to come up with areas of refuge, places to help take care of people who are in these facilities if power goes out for a long period of time. So if you're going to put your loved one in a facility, you might want to ask, do you guys have backup generators? Might be an important thing to ask. A lot of money was put towards dementia prevention and research. Of course, the biggest thing is $50 million in the state of Texas was put towards Ibogaine research. I believe it is Kentucky that has already started researching this and trying to get Ibogaine legalized in the United States. Of course, it's federally, it is not allowed. Hopefully these efforts will make it possible to be able to get the research that we need to show that it actually is effective, but it's currently done in Mexico. I have had a lot of clients that have had children with substance abuse issues that I have encouraged to go to Mexico to get Ibogaine treatments. And from what I've been told back, it has been wildly successful. According to reports from different people, with 2 treatments, it's about 94% success rate in eliminating 100% of a substance abuse disorder. Ibogaine is a psychedelic. What it does is basically tries to rewire the brain in order to get rid of the substance abuse disorder and issue. So I highly recommend it, as if someone is suffering from a substance abuse and they have had no success with any treatments, it seems to be an incredible way to handle this issue. So highly recommend looking into Ibogaine if you know somebody with a substance abuse disorder. But those are the main changes that we've had in the law, that we're going to have in the law on September 1st in the state of Texas. Federally, the gift tax goes into effect next year.